Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today, our 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe, finished in Prairie bronze, really pretty color. Original California car. I got Nick, the owner here, is going to tell us what about it. How you doing today, Nick?
Awesome.
Man, what a car!
Thank you very
Super
much.
clean.
Thank you. Originally a California car, brought to New York here in 2007. My father and I did a lot of mechanical work on it. It's a 6-cylinder automatic, original 3-speed. It's been cruising Long Island since,
Yeah,
and always garage kept.
love this color too. So
Thank
unique.
you.
You don't really see them in this color. They're always
No.
silver, red, white. And this is really, really nice. Super straight body. Nicely done. Got the buckets. Rally pack.
Yep, the original rally pack for a 6-cylinder installed. Hazard lights installed in the glove box.
Cool. Super nice paint too. It's got a little bit of metallic in it. Super straight, nice body. Very nice chrome and stainless all the way around. Can you pop the hood? Here she is. Nice and simple. A lot of these cars didn't even come with power brakes. It's nice to see that you got power brakes in it. Electronic ignition. Love all the original hoses and stuff, FoMoCo.
Yeah, some of the original stamps.
Yeah. Tower clamps. That's all very original. Motor looks super fresh. Was rebuilt?
Yeah, rebuilt in 2008.
Cool. These motors run forever. And they're great on gas, you know? Original manifold.
Yeah, the single barrel carburetor.
Yeah. Pretty cool. Very correct, too. Beautiful. New shocks. New battery. With a cutoff switch.
Yep, always on the triple charge, ready to go.
Very cool. Always garage kept, I could see. Very nice glass. Nice buckets too.
Yeah, I was told this was a California insert option for the heat.
Cool. Yeah, it keeps you cool. Got the all-weather mats too. And a rally pack. Never seen that in a 6-cylinder. Pretty cool. Clock's ticking away too. Showing 58,915 miles. I would say that's original, right?
Oh yeah, yeah, it's the original odometer.
Cool. And I like how you switched it off to be an automatic. Custom sound system. Does that have aux in?
Yes, there's an auxiliary cable.
Cool. Man, it's so pretty. Nice back seat. Beautiful package tray. Single speaker on the back. Great.
Yeah, it's a new radio, but the old look, so you can control the sound from the front or the back.
Very cool. Man, what a pretty car. You fired up? Yeah, super nice sills too. Sounds great. Tires look pretty new too. Love the original caps too.
Thanks.
Super original. The spinners on it. Super nice. There it is. P for Prairie Bronze. Nice Cowl. Love the 6-cylinder. It's just so reliable. Easy to work on. Nice that you got electronic ignition too.
Yeah, smooth driving right over here.
Love the original inner fenders. You don't really see that.
Yeah, you got the stamp here.
Yep, that's just VIN. Stamp marks from the factory. You know, sometimes simple is better.
Yeah.
Nice little chalk mark there too. Such a pretty car. Can we go for a quick ride?
Sure.
Yeah, let's go. Original seatbelts? How cool is that? Man, the door shuts so nice too. Windows roll up and down, super nice too. Day-night mirror, pretty cool. Nice day for a ride. So how long have you owned it?
Since 2007.
Cool.
So about 18 years.
Oh, nice. That's so nice. And all the gauges and everything work. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give us a call. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out about 200 photos I took today on the website. Thanks a lot.